Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for adding elements. Elements are an easy way to elevate your designs to the next level and give the viewer a feature-rich experience. Let's dive in. There are two main areas to add value within the design: character elements and backdrop elements. Let's take a look at character elements. Character elements enhance, highlight, or hide features specifically for a character. In this example, we will hide the feet of the character by adding bush elements and overlaying it in front of the character. Note: I use the same color scheme elements, dark green, as the surrounding. This is useful when the character cannot find a suitable feet placement within a backdrop. This can be done with elements such as objects, plants, a rock, etc. I am also duplicating some elements to give consistency to the design. Next, let's enhance the character with a spotlight effect by adding in sun glare with a light beam. Please note some elements used in this example are from the Pro version of Canva. Now let's take a look at adding elements to the backdrop. Backdrop elements can define the theme. In this example, I will add some treasure and a treasure chest. Elements used in the example is from Canva Pro. I suggest you play around with elements until you are comfortable with your design. Please note that the backdrops are feature-rich, and if you do not feel like adding more elements, the backdrop allows for stunning designs with just the character and backdrop combined. I'm overlaying the treasure chest with a plant to make the chest have a more natural fit into the design. Next, I will add in gold sparkles, which draws the viewer's eyes towards the elements and adds in a type of animated feeling. By experimenting with different elements, you can enhance your designs to the next level. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, where we will be discussing character adjustments. We will cover topics such as placement, lighting, combining characters, and scene color grading.